guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be showing you items that I have picked up at thrift stores, the Dollar Tree, and then things that I also received from a friend. This first item I'm going to show you I found at a thrift store. They are some really cute vintage bunny cards, and I believe it's just blank on the inside, and these are pretty thin, but you know, so the thinner the better for junk journals, so they're not so bulky. But the envelope has the same bunny printed on the outside, so I thought that was super cute. And then I found this other set of baby ones. I haven't done any baby journals, but I have found lots of items that I've been keeping. This was just a scrap piece of fabric I found. They charged me like 19 cents, but it's a Daisy Kingdom fabric of bunnies. And then I found this vintage Donald Duck and Goofy, and then also I found that was a pillowcase. And then a friend gave me this little set of fabrics. They're just little quilting squares in purples and blues, so I thought that was really pretty. And then a bunch of lace. She gave me these laces. I believe these were her mother's items. This is a book that I found at the thrift store. It's the Oliver Twist. Actually, this was a rummage sale that I found this at. It's Oliver Twist. I'm not sure of what the date is there. I'll put it up on the screen because I'm doing this voiceover. Lately I'm having to do voiceovers because it's hot and we have our air conditioner on and it's really loud, so that's why. But this has really cool illustrations throughout the book, and I plan on using that possibly for a journal in the future. But I do need to clean it up. I was just showing you that there was some dirty parts on it. And then this is an Anne of Green Gables book. Vintage book. There's no illustrations in here, so I'll just use these pages, or I may not. I'm not sure. I might just keep this for my own collection of vintage books. So I love the Anne of Green Gables. I've read the books, or some of them anyway. And then I found this really cool textbook. It's an elementary school textbook, and I just love the illustrations in it. And I believe this was like from the late 60s, early 70s. So it looks like it had music and poems and different things in it. And then I found this at the rummage sale as well. It was $1 full of thread, and I used so much thread, and you know how expensive thread is. They're like $3 a spool. So, and then these items were from my friend as well. They were her mother's, and so there are a bunch of different crochet doilies, some really fun napkins, just a bunch of different things that I can use in my journals. This one here is embroidered. It's really pretty. They're just several of the round crocheted, and then this is just a piece. I think it's just a placemat. More round ones there. And then here are some corner lace pieces. Here's another napkin. I think it's a napkin, or it could be like a little something that you lay underneath a casserole dish or something like that. And then here is some fabric, a fabric square. I think I had purchased this at Walmart. But I thought this was really cute. It has a fox and a bunny. Is that a bunny? And then she gave me these packages of paper doilies. They're vintage ones there's a few of the white, and then all those different red sizes, and then these have pumpkins on them. I thought those were really cute. And then there were a few of the placemats there. So I think the placemats would be fun to use in my coffee dyeing of paper, like laying them on top of regular paper. Or I could just cut them out, the corners, and use them as tuck spots. Whatever, they can use them as a border or belly band or whatever. And then this was from the Dollar Tree. I thought I could do a journal, like a bird or botanical journal using that card. So you'll see a video for that. And then I found these really cute stickers at the Dollar Tree. I just loved the farmhouse and the vintage truck. And so I picked those up. And then I picked this stencil set because I'm going to be doing Wizard of Oz. And so I love that it had the hot air balloon. And then this coloring book had the hot air balloons in it as well. And it also had several other pictures that would be great in different journals that I do. So I love picking these up and including them in my junk journals. So I can use those, probably a lot of them for like Valentine's. I also found these really pretty napkins at the Dollar Tree. I normally don't find napkins like this, but they happen to have them that time. And then the last item that I found was this really cute animal coloring book. It just had so many cute animals, and I could use them in several of my journal projects. Just any kind of theme, maybe zoo theme, or at Christmas time the deer. The owl was like a bird theme, or you know what I mean. But these are all just so cute, so I think that was my favorite coloring book. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.